Welcome to Shorts by Puneet. Moon will make its move to the sign of Cancer on 13th of June. We know that Moon for 2.5 days approximately covers one zodiac sign. So when Moon goes to the sign of Cancer, which is Moon's own zodiac sign, Moon will find the axis of Mars and Saturn. Definitely the power of Mars is greatly reduced in this particular zodiac because Mars is debilitated. Mars will be in Pushya Nakshatra, whereas Saturn is retrograde in Shravana Nakshatra in the sign of Capricorn, right in front of the Moon. So when Moon goes into this zodiac, Moon finds itself in a very weak position. This is the time frame when you will suddenly be realizing that you are in some kind of pressure. You will start feeling claustrophobic. You will start feeling that you are being dominated. You would want to get out of any problem that you are in, and you will have a feeling of running away. But when Moon is in the sign of Cancer, Moon does not want to run away. This is Moon's own house. So you don't run away from your own house, but rather correct that house. So the correction energies will come in. And for the next 2 to 3 days, that means from 13th of June to 15th of June, you will have this constant thoughts, constant emotional ups and downs, where the energies will collide with the karma. On one hand, you have wishes. One hand, you have happiness. On the other hand, what can you do about it? That's the dilemma here. See, Shravana is also a nakshatra of Shani, and when Saturn goes retrograde in Shravana, you don't want to listen to anything. Because Moon becomes compassionate and emotional, and it becomes too soft in this particular zodiac sign. If you observe the position of Ketu, Ketu is also 5th with respect to Moon, so that means that you don't even have the feeling to learn anything. It's like completely going inward, it's like completely going reserved, being introvert, and it's kind of a helpless feeling. Especially if you have Cancer Moon, Cancer Ascendant, Mars in Cancer, or any Cancer specific planets in your horoscope. But on the other hand, because it is his own house, Moon can be given enough strength, because if you keep your head strong, Moon will gain that necessary strength. And because Venus is also 12th from the Moon, some kind of buy some good stuff about you, some not the luxurious stuff, but something that you always wanted. This will create a craving for food, this will create craving for emotions, and it can be a difficult couple of days, because you will remember the past, you will remember the loved ones that has gone. This is an emotionally roller coaster ride for you. So it's not that negative, it's just that it is going to affect your emotions. If you can manage your emotions, meditate and pray to Lord Hanuman. Praying to Hanuman Chalisa, chanting Hanuman Chalisa 3 times a day will be a wonderful remedy for these couple of days when Moon is transiting out of his own house to the sign of Leo. Obviously, because of the presence of Jupiter 8th from the Moon, the knowledge will not come so easy. So it is like the answer to your question is right available in front of your eyes, but you won't be able to see right now. So 13, 14 and 15 June is not the right time to take any decision, especially if you are a Cancer moon sign, if you are a Scorpio moon sign, if you are a Capricorn moon sign. If you are one of these 3 moon sign, definitely it's not the right time to take any major decision in your life. You can just wait for a couple of more days. Overall, this will be an emotionally, I will say, revealing transit for you. It will make you vulnerable. So try to defend and protect yourself, and don't become too emotional. Don't divulge into a lot of emotional talks, because you may spill out some secrets that you really don't want to, and you may regret it later. But if you can balance your emotion through meditation, through Kriya, through Pranayam, things will be fine, and you will get the positive benefit out of, and you will get to know, you will learn a lot from the debilitated Mars and a retrograde Saturn by looking into the past. Constructive approach to this, critical approach to this particular transit is very much necessary. Over emotional approach is going to be negative for you. Thank you for watching Shorts by Puneet. This channel, Lifetime Soul, is a channel which has not only just astrology, but it will cover various aspects of life holistically. Do watch and like and subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you never miss another update from this channel. Spread the word of this channel among your family and friends, because a lot of videos are coming for those who have no interest in astrology but wants to know more about life. This channel is going to be focused on a much wider spectrum and much wider aspect of life, right from healing, meditation, philosophy, mudra, Indian history and astrology. Thank you for watching and liking the video. Please mention your suggestions in the comment section. That will be helpful in giving this channel a proper shape. We'll meet in the next video. Till then, this is your host Puneet. Namaste.